Hey guys, welcome to this Forex tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be explaining what we call a head and shoulder. A head and shoulder is basically something which looks like this. We've got the left shoulder, and then we've got this part, we call it the head, and as you can see here, the chart is creating another shoulder here. And then so basically it looks like this: uptrend, downtrend, an uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, then eventually a downtrend that's going to end at around this level. So to identify head and shoulder, you simply have got to identify a pattern like this. I've got a shoulder here, you've got your head, and you've got another shoulder here. So what you do in a head and shoulder, let's say you identify it somewhere around here, you have to sell here, and then you take your profit here, and then again you buy here, take your profit here, and eventually you sell here, then take your profit around here. So basically this is how a head and shoulder looks like. As you can see from this chart, we've got a clear indication which shows us a head and shoulder. Let me zoom out and extend this trend line here. So if you can take a look around here, you can see the pattern which I'm talking about. Let me demonstrate using paint. A head and shoulder doesn't look something much, it looks like something like that. Okay, it looks like something like uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, then eventual downtrend. So what you do, let's say you identify it here, you sell and you take your profit around here, and then you wait for it to create another shoulder here, then you buy here, take your profit around here, then eventually you sell here, then you take your profit around here. So basically you'll be having around like 1, 2, and then 1, 2, and then 3 trades, and that's the amount of trades you can execute on a head and shoulder. So in this trade, you see it was an uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend. So this is the pattern which is eventually going to be formed here, a heads and shoulders. As you can see, this is in on the Euro USD weekly chart. It is still under formation. So basically this is how a head and shoulder looks like. Thank you for watching this video, guys.